How to fix Windows cannot find msdt.exe. Hello friends, follow the steps. Click on search, type cmd, select run as administrator, type sfc space / scannow. Press enter. This process will take approx 10 minutes depending on file size on your system. Once completed, restart your computer. Check if the error is solved. In case the error again appears, open command prompt as administrator again. Run these 3 commands given in the description one by one. In the end, restart your computer. And that's all. Thanks for watching the video.